Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm down at my allotment again, and as you can see everything's just coming along nicely. Just let my cameraman go around slowly. All my beds are ready for planting and everything. The grass is trimmed down, not to the level that I wanted it lower than that, but we'll have to work with it for now until when it gets more drier, then I can know what to do with it. So today what I'm going to be doing, someone gave me a nice rhubarb plant. So I was going to plant it in one of the beds, but then I'm thinking about how big the leaves and that get. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it near to this fence here. So I'm just going to dig a hole down for it. You can see this allotment's got some nice dirt. So I'm just digging a hole. Digging it. Fork, they're good, but the only thing is you can't take up a lot of dirt with them. So I'm just looking down if there's any of these white weeds. Just going to measure how deep this hole is. Right, that's deep enough. And what I want to do is get some of this manure, but I want the bit of the manure in there. Got some manure in the hole. I'm going to try and get this rhubarb out of the pot. You can see it's a nicely rooted one. Going to get this in this hole like that. And then I'm just going to lightly fill that in. Try not to get any of this grass in there. I've got one leaf broken off already. That's typical of me. So that's my rhubarb plant. Got the bucket here. Good thing about my one, I've got the water nearby. I can just water that in. We don't really eat rhubarb in our family, so what I'm gonna do, when I get some stalks off of this, I'll show you how to do some juicing from the stalks. If you're planting rhubarb, always wear gloves. Remember, the leaves are poisonous. So I'm just giving that a good watering. So that's my rhubarb. So if you like that video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to know what's going on, then press the notification bell so that you can get our videos as they come out. There's a lot of other things that I need to do down here. We're soon in the planting season, so hopefully you'll see when I dig these beds over and get things in. I've got to waiting for some plastic and some netting to come for these beds, because when I put the stuff in, I want to cover them over, because I know we're out in the open and you get a lot of birds and that down here, so I want to try and cover things over as much as I can. So that's what I'm going to be doing over the next few coming weeks now, is just having a good clear up and just checking everything, making sure everything's ready for planting. The next video now, I want to try and get like a polytunnel, but I'm going to build it myself to how I want it. So that would be most probably the next couple of videos. You might see how you can do a polytunnel on the cheap without buying an expensive one. So keep watching, and happy gardening to all of you. Thanks for watching.